Tonight, you skipped brushing your teeth. You thought it was just one night.
In 30 minutes, the bacteria in your mouth doubles, then doubles again.
These bacteria release acid, powerful enough to dissolve your tooth enamel.
Being eaten away, silently, while you sleep.
But it doesn't stop at your teeth. Through your inflamed gums, bacteria find a doorway
Directly.
into your bloodstream. Studies show oral bacteria travel directly to the heart, causing inflammation of heart valves. And then it travels further, up through the arteries, into your brain.
Scientists have found oral bacteria inside the brains of Alzheimer's patients.
Bacteria from your mouth can be inhaled deep into your respiratory system, causing pneumonia, lung infections.
Heart disease, Alzheimer's, pneumonia, diabetes complications, premature birth risks, kidney disease.
All linked to poor oral health. All of this can begin with one night of not brushing your teeth.
All of this can be prevented with just 2 minutes, twice a day. A toothbrush